In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom date format in Google Sheets. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From the panel that opens, select Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet you want to work with. Next, highlight the cells that contain the dates you want to change. Selecting your range first ensures the formatting applies exactly where you need it and not across your entire sheet. Now go to the top menu and click Format. Hover your mouse over Number to reveal the extended options, and then click Custom Date and Time. This opens the Custom Formatting Builder, where you control exactly how dates appear. If you see any existing format items in the builder, delete them so you're starting from a clean slate. For this example, we'll build a format that shows the day, the month, and the year in that order. Click the first drop-down and choose Day. That adds the day component. If you see multiple day styles, pick the one that suits your needs. For our example, the numeric day is perfect. Click the drop-down again to add the next component and choose Month. You'll notice you can display months as numbers, abbreviations, or the full name. For a clear, readable result, choose the full month name. Click the drop-down one more time and select Year. You can use a 2-digit or a 4-digit year. Choose the 4-digit option for maximum clarity. If you'd like punctuation or spacing between parts, type them directly between the components. For instance, you might add a comma after the day and a space before the month, so it reads like 12, March 2026. Keep an eye on the live preview at the top of the window. It reflects your choices instantly, so you can fine-tune the look before applying it. When everything looks right, click Apply. Your selected cells will immediately update to the new custom date format. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If any cell doesn't change appearance, it may be stored as text rather than a true date. Sheets can only format real date values. Also remember that formatting changes only how the date is displayed. It doesn't alter the underlying value, so your formulas, sorting, and calculations will continue to work as expected. And that's it. You've created a custom date format in Google Sheets, tailored to your exact style and readability needs.